words, please be true. In other words, I love you. I don't need no doctor for my prescription to be filled. Come on. I don't need no doctor for my prescription to be filled. Only my baby's arm could ever take away this chill. Doctor said I need rest before I need some tenderness.
Here tonight to honor America with the singing of our national anthem, please welcome retired Navy veteran StevenPowell.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we'd hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the rampart we'd watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet